Hi, this is Sonia. Today we are talking about career in numerology. How do we check a person's career, or how we can say that this person can have good or favorable things in his career? How we can check that? We can check that by a person's psychic number and a person's excess of numbers in his numerology chart. Like if a person is having 999, 111, 222, sometimes like it's only 222 or it's only 999 or it's only 111. So we can check through that tripling, and we can also check psychic number, and then we can make a conclusion that which number will suit him and which career will suit him, because strong vibes of that number or of that planet will give good caliber in persons, specifically that quality. So say like 6 number is in tripling, 666 is there in his numerology birth chart. Say that the date of birth is 6/6/1966 or 6/6/1986. So 6 times say 6 is 3 times there. So then definitely his 6 quality is very much on higher side. 6 energies is on higher side, because the psychic number is also 6. Psychic number is your birth day number, date number. Like 6 is the psychic number. 27 means 9 is the psychic number. 30 means 3 is the psychic number. So 6 is the psychic number also, and 6 is in 3 times there. 6/6/1986 means 3 times 6 is there. So that means Venus vibes are very high. Venus is having very good energy in that person's numerology chart. That means that he can go or he can do very well in Venus related career. Venus related career, I told you before also, it's related to luxuries, it's related to beauty, it's related to charisma, it's related to fame, it's related to media, photography, interior designing, cosmetics, ladies things, and perfumes. All these things are related to Venus. So now I will tell you one by one. You can now understand that how we calculate a person's career through the psychic number and through the excess of the numbers, because already I told you that these numbers give higher energy, and that energy in a person's already having, like that energy contributes to person's career, because he will have more interest in those energies only, or in those planets energy only. So I will tell you, like the one number is related to sun, and sun is always giving a career of leadership, of speaking skills, of dictatorship, of reading, and sun whatever a person is, sun's energy gives him a boss quality, HR quality, PR quality, because sun is related to a high command. So people who are having sun's energy higher in their birth chart or in their numerology chart, they are very good in speaking skills, they are very good in leadership qualities, they are very good in bossing type of skills, they are good in admin, they are good in innovative things. They are their own masters. They don't like to work under anyone or under any pressure. They do their things in their own way. Just like sun, as I told you, one number is related to sun, so sun's character can be there in a person's career. Then we go to number 2. Number 2 is related to moon. Moon is very sensitive, very creative. Again, it's very innovative, ambitious, and a delicate planet. So moon's energies give us a career of creativity. Again, of speaking skills also are there, but it will be in a creative manner. It will be in a hosting manner. It cannot be into a leadership, because moon character doesn't go for a leadership or for a bossy things. They like to work under people, and they like to give their 100%, because they are a very good employees. They are a very good in hostings. They are very good in media. They are very good in creativity. Their art is very good, their creativity is very good, and Moon's character is very sensitive, so they can go in modeling, media line, all these type of career they can choose. Even Moon is related to water based things or milk based things, so they can go to the industry of dairy products, and also they can do something like of in liquid form, any business or anything related to watery form. And then we go to number 3. Number 3 is a number of Jupiter. Jupiter is a mentor, Jupiter is a teacher, Jupiter is a preacher, and Jupiter is related to spiritual things. People who are having high powers or high energies of Jupiter in their numerology chart or in their character or their you say psychic number or an excess of numbers. So these people who are having Jupiter in higher energies, they are very good teachers. They are like guru. They advise very well. They teach very well. They are a very good mentor. They become idol of a person, and their speaking skills, their writing skills, speaking skills I cannot say, because their writing skills, they are very good in pen. Their writing skills are very good. They can write contents, they can be a story writer, because their imaginary skills are also very good. Jupiter can imagine very well, so their imagination skills are good. They become very good cartoonists. They can become very good story writers. They can become very good lecturers. They can become spiritual gurus, and they can be on a very decent way of or decent career type of things. I will go on with the other numbers in my next videos. Thanks for watching, thanks for appreciating, and thank you so much for motivating me. Bye bye, take care.